Hello everyone, Telvad and Flippy here and welcome back to another episode of GTA 3. And yeah, I'm gonna do King's Courtney missions now, and that is with this Payphone mission, so I'm gonna do some work for the Yardies, which is another one of the gangs in the game, so yeah, let's go.
This is King Courtney. Me Yardie posse could do with them rude boy driver and people is saying you the man. Get to the waste ground opposite the stadium in a car and wait for the other hopefuls. I've got been watching checkpoints all over Staunton. First driver to a checkpoint gets the bling bling, then it's on to the next stop. If you get more checkpoints than any other driver, I can have me a little work for you.
So this first mission is pretty much a race, so yeah, but it's not a typical race. It's like you need to collect the most waypoints that I guess are randomly spawned across the map, or at least across the Staunton. So yeah, but it's not a typical race where you need to like follow a specific path. It's just random waypoints across Staunton. So yeah. We have a cheetah, a bobcat, and then a patriot. Yeah, the cheetah would probably be the one that you should worry about the most because that's the fastest car in the group. But yeah, I have a Yakuza Stinger, which is also a pretty good car. It's significantly fast. So yeah. But this mission is also a little bit of RNG on where the waypoints, over the checkpoints would spawn. Because it's random each time. So sometimes you just need to turn around, or sometimes they're just like right next to your opponents. Ideally you would have waypoints that would face towards the direction you were driving. And this one is just under the short side bridge. Here it is. And that one is right over here. Am I gonna get it? No. And this mission can sometimes be a little bit tough if you have bad luck on where the checkpoints are spawning. Yeah, like that. There's one like right next to one of the opponents. Probably one of them will get it. Yep. And another one just spawned just up ahead. That's what I meant with RNG. But the next one is right about this corner. Yeah, and there would be a total of 15 checkpoints you have to collect. If you have collected at least 8, then you should be you cannot really lose the mission anymore. That guy over there is probably gonna get it. Yep. This fuck off, Patriot. And King Courtney has, I believe, 4 missions. Yeah, what the fuck? Talk about RNG though. Okay, I cannot lose. At least I cannot lose the mission anymore. I just need to collect the remaining checkpoints and a GG. But yeah, this mission, like I said, this mission can sometimes be really easy or a pain in the ass, purely depending on RNG. Who's up front? Is that the cheetah? Or is that an furnace? I don't know, the furnace and the cheetah looks very similar to each other. I'm guessing I think that's an furnace. There we go, 9 waypoints. Alright, next King Courtney mission. Let's go.
I need to see if they're capable of doing me dirty work. See See if you're family or not, don't you know? Two of my boys will be there any second to take you for a ride. See if you're the article or a sister or something.
We're going for a little ride into Hepburn Heights. Kill me some filthy Diablo boo-boo's been batting up me lady Queen Lizzie. You do the driving and the shooting and the dally and a boot. We'll make sure you don't get cold feet here. You'll need a piece.
Laughing vampires dance. Feel the
Let's drive.
So yeah, we need to head into Diablo turf and kill some Diablos. We're doing drive-bys or running them over. Getting out of the car will fail the mission, so don't get out of the car. And if you fail the mission, these two guys will actually try to kill you. So yeah, let's head back to Portland. Taking the tunnel because the tunnel is closest by at the moment. Just be careful of the traffic, because it can be a bit crowded in here. Yeah, and this guy is a perennial, and perennial is, I guess, not too terrible of a car, but it's just not a fast car. And this mission forces you to use the perennial. So yeah, we just made it in Portland, and let's go to the Diablo turf and kill some Diablo. I think you need to kill around 10 gang members.
Hepburn Heights. Let's kill me some filthy Diablos. Remember, you in this to the end, man. Hold your corner.
You cannot leave the car at all, so you need to be in the car all the time. And yeah, and you can get hijacked pretty easily if you're not careful. And also, I think after this mission, the Diablos will attack you on sight. Oh, that's a bit unfortunate. A bit unfortunate I killed a police officer accidentally. And there's a car chasing me too. Can you fuck off? Two star wanted level is just too unfortunate. Alright, one more. Oh god. Oh fuck.
5 seconds to get back in the car.
Get in! Oh well. Well, that's a bit unfortunate. And this is and this is a nice option if you have failed the mission with this reverse engineered version. So you can just retry the mission like this without going back. But yeah, unfortunately I failed the mission. So yeah, it's time for a fast forward again.
That's right.
So here we are, second attempt. Let's go.
Hepburn Heights. Let's kill me some filthy Diablos. Remember, you in this to the end, man. Hold your corner.
So yeah, we need to stay in his car, but got quite bad luck with one of the cops, and I killed accidentally. So it was purely because of the cops were chasing me. That's why I failed the mission. It's going much better already. Let these guys just come to you. There you go. Need to kill one more guy. And there you have it. Now let's go back to Staunton. Yeah, we have 1 star, but 1 star is not really that bad, because the game will not spawn extra policemen if you have one star. It will disappear on its own. So yeah, make it back to Staunton and drop these guys off at the location. Yeah, but this mission is usually not really that terrible, but I just got bad luck last time. Which can happen. But yeah, so that retry option is pretty nice to have. So you don't have to go back every time you fail a mission. But yeah, but this Perennial is not really a fast car. It's not really a bad car necessarily, but it's just not fast. Alright, here it is.
Okay, you're the kind of man we like as friend now. You're Irie, man. Real shooter.
There you go. Next King Courtney mission. And now, yeah, like I said, the Diablos now hate you. Oh, this next mission is gonna be a pain, because you need to go to St. Mark's for this one. With shotgun guys. Ugh, not looking forward to it.
I want you to steal me some gang cars so we can do some naughty thing on our enemy turf. I want me a Mafia Sentinel, a Yakuza Stinger, and a Diablo Inferno so we can hit up any gang in Liberty. Drop them off at the garage in Newport and hear this. They're no use to me, all broke up now.
So we need to collect 3 cars, a Diablo Stallion, a Mafia Sentinel, and then you go to Stinger. Well, the Mafia Sentinel is gonna be the hardest one to get, because I know where one spawns. It's behind Tony's restaurant in St. Mark's. But the issue is Shotgun Mafia, and they can blow up your cars in like 2 shots. So yeah, we need to collect 3 different gang cars, and yeah, 2 of them are in Portland, and 1 of them is in Staunton. I'm gonna try to get the Mafia Sentinel first. I'm hoping that I don't get blown up by the shotguns, because I'm gonna be sad if I blow up randomly. And it's bullshit. Like, it does not even matter how fast you are. Like, the guys with shotguns has just pinpoint accuracy, and they hit you pretty much every time. That makes some of the missions unnecessarily hard. So yeah, here is St. Mark's, and I'm probably gonna get blown up. Yeah, it's one shotgun guy. I'm probably gonna get. If I see another one, I'm probably dead. Ooh, no shotgun, please. Ooh. Phew. All right, let's take this thing and get the hell out of here. Ooh, no shotgun, please. This is scary. Okay, that's a pistol guy. That was a shotgun. Holy shit. That was a pistol. Alright, yeah, I'm at least I'm out St. Mark's. Phew, it took at least one shotgun hit. I could have easily died. But yeah, that's really scary. I fucking hate it. Because the shotgun is so broken when an NPC uses it. Like when you use it, it's not really that great of a weapon because it's fire slow and you're just standing still for like 2 seconds or whatever. If you are done shooting. But when an NPC uses it, they have pinpoint accuracy with it. And they will pretty much, they will kill you. I don't mind shooting, I don't mind that I get shot up from time to time. I just hate it that that NPCs killing insta killing weapons. That blows you up in like 2 seconds. By just driving in a specific area of the map. I just hate that. I do not like that at all. Yeah, and basically St. Mark's is basically shotgun hell. But bullshit shotgun hell. Alright, at least I got the hardest car out of the way. In this small little alleyway. Ah yeah, and you need to, you cannot really damage the cars too much. Okay, that's the Mafia gang car. And now I need to get a Stinger and a Diablo Stallion. Both cars can be found pretty easily. I know at the Sukas place there are a couple of Stingers so you can just take, and for the Diablo gang car you either need to find one in Hydeburn Heights. I don't know if there is a fixed spawn location for the Diablo Stallion, but there are plenty of them in Hydeburn Heights. And the Diablos, even though they hate you, they carry bats and they don't have any firearms, so you can easily deal with them quite easily. Not really that big of a threat. So yeah, Hydeburn Heights is right up here. And yeah, you want to avoid St. Mark's, because this fucking box is stopping my entire car. That's a strong box. Alright, Hydeburn Heights is right here. And you should be easy to find a Diablo car. Right. There's one already. There you go. So let's go back to Callahan Bridge and go back to Staunton. That was a hit, but yeah, you can take a couple of hits before you need to repair it, but yeah. But there should be but if you damage it, there should be a pay spray nearby in Staunton. Alright. Careful, because this alley is pretty small. And that's the Diablo gang car, the Stallion. Alright, now to get Yakuza Stinger. Let's take this barracks. Oh, I thought this vehicle was called a barracks. Apparently not. Alright. Head over here. Let's not head down there. Let's see, where I need to be on that road over there, so I should be able to get over there from here. This car turns slowly. Alright, there's a turn over there. And get in here. Make your way down this road, and then over here you can just drop down by these apartments. Alright, and here are a couple of Yakuza stingers. Easy. Oh, careful. I mean, every time I hear a shotgun going off that's not fired by me, it just scares the shit out of me. Come on, get in there. Are you not in there far enough? Come on. There you go. GG. Kuruma, I want you. Yes. So, yeah, let's do the last King Courtney mission and then it's GG. Alright, last mission, let's go.
Now hear this. Get your little self over to Bedford Point. There's a stash in an old jalopy. I need quick smart now.
So, I guess I need to just pick up this car. But this mission is actually a pretty scary mission. Because you're gonna encounter something you're only gonna encounter in this mission. And yeah, gonna see that in a bit. But this mission's pretty scary. So let's just make our way up there in the first place. Down south of Staunton. Alright, let's make a turn over here. I guess I can get it in there off from here too. There you go. Yeah, here comes the scary part of this mission.
We're all about opinions on Chatterbox, which is Liberty City's premier phone-in station. But why don't you like Clone?
I just hate them. They're so constricting. I mean, there's a line we're closed, and the line is the king of the jungle. So why can't I help the citizen?
Come to daddy, come here.
Well, I mean, I guess
Special
mine has
delivery.
jurisdiction.
Here you go, I got a present for you, Cap.
Says
What's
you
up,
say
Mike?
a
Here you go, I got a present.
can
Come to
exercise
daddy.
its prerogative now they're
Here you go, I got a
closed.
present. Come here.
And therefore doesn't have to.
Come here.
Yeah, and this is the scary part because these are spanked up madmen and these are all spank addicts. And yeah, and there are these vans around here. But luckily I have power weapons. Alright, there's one more van up there, and there's another one over there. But yeah, but the M60 makes short work of this! Ouch. Yeah, and that's one of the downsides if you don't use a weapon you can run with. But yeah, there's one more van over there, so there are like 4 vans, and these guys spawn infinitely from them. So let's just get rid of this van, and that's GG. This mission seems pretty easy if you have power weapons, but this mission is pretty scary, and this actually shows you how bad spank can be. Like, these guys were all spank addicts, and to the point that they were willing to kill themselves. some reason. Like, Spank is like a parody of crack or whatever. It's a fictional dog in this game. But yeah, that's the King Courtney missions, and yeah, and that's gonna be it for this episode. And yeah, from now on the Yardies will hate you too now. So there's another gang you've pissed off. Like we've pissed off the Triads, we've pissed off the Diablos, we've pissed off the Leonis, and we pissed off the Yardies. That's already 4 gangs we pissed off. Yeah, a lot of gangs are going to hate you in this game. But the Leonis are the worst ones. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this episode. So yeah, up next I'm probably gonna either do race missions or Genji missions. But until then, I see you around and see you later. Goodbye.